Hey guys, if you have a Can-Am Maverick X3 and you want to get some high quality accessories installed on it, the Tusk Stage UTV Upgrade Kits are one of the easiest ways to do that. We're showing you the stuff that comes in the Stage 1 kit today. So if you just bought a kit or if you're thinking about buying one, we're going to show you how to get all of this stuff installed. It's super simple to do, and what the kit comes with is the removable half windshield, the alloy UTV mirror kit with A-pillar mounts, and the Polycarb rear window. So with that being said, let's get started. We're going to start out with the Polycarb rear window. We've laid out a blanket so this doesn't get scratched, and I'm wearing rubber gloves so I don't get my fingerprints all over it. So all we need to do to prep this is remove the protective coating from both sides. We're going to start the install process with the rear window. So the first thing you want to do is get the 24-inch piece of foam tape out of your kit, and we're going to install this across that horizontal roll cage bar. And if you have any extra foam tape, you can simply cut it off. And this is just going to help take up any vibration between that rear window and your roll cage. Now to install the rear window, you need to install one side first, and you're going to have to bend this just a little bit to get it down into place. And then we've got the 8 hook and loop straps. We're going to loosely install those all the way around and then make our final adjustments, and we'll tighten them down. Next, we're going to install the mirror mounts and our mirrors. The driver's side mirror mount is going to be different than the passenger side. Passenger side, it's going to bend out away from the machine just a little bit. So to install the driver's side mount, what we're going to do is take 2 of the long bolts that came in the kit. We'll go through the mount, and then there's these 2 holes that are already in your frame. We're going to go straight through those. Then we've got a washer on the other side of these bolts, and then we'll install the 2 nylock nuts. We'll position the mount where we want it and tighten the hardware down. Now we're going to use a 5mm Allen to remove the button head bolt from our mirror, and then we're going to take that button head bolt, we're going to go through our mount, put the washer in place, and we'll thread this into our mirror. Then you'll notice the logo is upside down. Both mirrors are going to come the same way. So we've got a 3/16 inch Allen. We're going to loosen that center bolt up. We're going to put the mirror so the logo's in the right spot, and then we'll snug that down. And then we can do these same steps on the other side. Moving on to the half windshield, again, I have my rubber gloves to keep my fingerprints off. Then we're going to remove the protective film from both sides. Next, we're going to lay the windshield so the bend at the top is facing away from us. And then we're going to take the foam tape and we're going to go around the sides and bottom with this. And just make sure you cut out the sections next to those 2 lower mounting locations. To get the windshield installed, we need to install some J-nut clips. We're going to start out by removing screws on top of the dash with a T30 Torx bit. Then you'll notice these 2 dimples underneath the dash panel we just removed the screws from. We're going to drill out the outer dimple on each side of the machine. And we're going to use an 11/32 inch drill bit. Then you've got 2 push rivets we're going to take out as well. The next step is to lift up the dash just far enough to install the J-nut. I'm using a paint pen to hold that up. And then I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers to help guide this into place. Once you have that done on both sides, you can go ahead and reinstall the 4 trim clips and the 6 mounting screws. Now we can set the half windshield in place. Just keep in mind that bend at the top, that's going to face out away from the cab. We're going to line up the slots with our J-nuts. We're going to turn those in a few turns and then install our Velcro clamps on the sides. And with the Velcro clamps, you're just going around the cage through the slot in the half windshield. And then you've got the metal bar on the back side. We'll go through that, wrap the strap through, pull that through the slot in the windshield, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We'll do our final adjustments and then snug everything down. And that's how easy it is to install your Tusk UTV Stage 1 Upgrade Kit on your Can-Am Maverick X3. Now, if you have any questions about the install process, leave those down in the comments below. And if you need to snag one of these up, they're available on our website. They also qualify for free shipping. So go check that out and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.